This is a video on how to plot values in ZoomNotes. There's a simple way, which is just have some text with numbers in. So I've got 4 bits of text there. I can select them all, and then I can choose from the table menu in the selection functions, plot selected numbers, and I'll get a preview of the plot it's going to create. There are various different types of plots you can create. Each one has its own set of parameters that you can adjust, so I've got a different set of colours and I can change the palette for that, fonts, things like that. So when you're happy you can just press create in the top right and you get something that is a plot object, if you like, and you can move it around, rotate it in the usual way. But more powerful than that is to use a table to store your data with or in. So there's been a change for tables to make that possible, so that you can embed numbers or text within the table. So I'm going to select this table and look at its properties, settings, and there's a new one called has text, and that's going to, if you enable it, it's going to let you embed the text in the table. So what you do to do that, I've enabled has text. I can use the text tool, I can tap on a cell and it's going to embed this text in that cell. So that's number 4 in the cell there. And I can go across the row and do a few more. And when text is embedded, it's kept with that table, and it'll behave sensibly if you scale and change the table. What you can do is you can still select it and change its properties and things like that, but you can't change the actual size of the text. It's contained within that cell, that's how big it is. But when you want to do a plot, then I can select those bits of text, and again I choose plot selected numbers. Get a similar thing, I'll do a bar chart this time. But I've got an extra section in this table, call table, because it's detected its numbers out of the table, and it's telling me I'm plotting a row of data, and it's which row, first row. But what's interesting is this bottom number of X data. At the moment it's showing 3, number of X data is 0. That just means it's gonna, if you put more data in, it will extend it. But quite a lot of times, you know, I'm going to want 12 things, so you can ramp that up to 12 or however many you know that you're going to need. So we've got 12. I can say create. Same thing. I've got my plot. There it is. But now what I can do is I can add numbers into table, and it's going to automatically add to the plot. So if you're tracking things over a month, 12 entries is perfect, and also you can skip columns as well, and that just continues to grow like that. You can select a plot and say plot selected numbers again, and then you can change the style of it, or properties, colors, whatever. Update, I didn't actually do anything because I didn't change anything. I'll change it to a graph, update, and you get that. If you copy and paste it, you've got the same graph or plot, but then if you want a pie as well of it, then that's done that for you.